What to do if your Mac screen goes like this? Well, I am going to tell you 5 ways to fix a black screen on Mac. First, we are going to cover the basics. Does your Mac have enough power? If not, make sure you have your charger and then plug it in. Give it a few seconds. If it works, it's going to boot up. Secondly, is your Mac's brightness too low? Here you can see my Mac is actually turned on, but the brightness is all the way down. While the brightness is too low, you may think that my Mac has gone all wrong and I need to fix it. Nope. Here you can see we have 2 buttons for brightness. One is, let's say, a smaller sun, and the other one is a bigger sun. Just click on the bigger sun and your screen should be back. Now that we have the basics covered, let's get a bit technical. Here you can see my Mac is turned off. And if this persists, it may be that your display is not turning on. It could be a Mac OS bug. Bug is just an imperfection in the software. If that is the case, it can be dealt with a restart. But how do you restart if your Mac screen is turned off, right? For that, you just have to press the power button for 5 seconds. And what that does is turn off your Mac. So here you can see we have the power button. Press and hold it for 5 seconds. And here you can see my Mac has turned off completely. Now wait a few seconds, I would say about 10 to 15 seconds at least, and then go again to the power button and turn it back on. So I'm going to turn it back on, and there you can see it has turned on. And we are back to normal. Let's say that doesn't work either. What can we do next? We can reset the NV and PRAM of the Mac. NV is non-volatile RAM and PRAM is the programmable RAM. While it may sound too technical, I assure you it is quite easy. Just follow the steps. Now let's go ahead and turn off the Mac. Presumably your Mac is facing a black screen, so you can just use the power button method, the hard restart, and you can just turn it off. I'm just going to use the normal method. Once you have turned off your Mac, I would say wait a few seconds again, maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and then press the following buttons. You want to press Option plus Command plus P plus R. Let's press Option, Command, P and R all together for a few seconds, and you can hear the chime. So once it restarts, you know that this has worked for you. While this has worked, I should also warn you that it may mess up your date and time, because after all, you are clearing a part of your RAM. Hopefully this has worked, but if not, we are going to move on to resetting the SMC. The SMC stands for System Management Controller. Again, it may sound very technical, it's very easy to do. Don't worry. We are going to turn off the Mac again. You may again use the hard shutdown method. And now you want to hold down Shift, Control, Option and Power for 10 seconds. Now before you do that, it won't turn on the system automatically, but holding it down for 10 seconds is going to automatically reset your SMC. And this is really good for you as well. So if you're having some other problems with your Mac, this could be the way to repair it. So let's press Shift, Control, Option and Power for 10 seconds, all at the same time. So here you can see it has come up to advanced startup options. And why is that? That is because I am using a MacBook Air M1 and it does not have a T2 chip. If you don't have a T2 chip, it is more likely that it won't work for you. So for me, I'm just going to shut down and restart, and hopefully everything's going to be all right. To find out whether your Mac has a T2 chip or not, you can see a list of computers that does have a T2 chip, and if it does, this method is going to work out for you. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.